Hi friends, welcome to KPB Coding Hub. In this video, we are going to see the next Python interview question, which is nothing but integers and Boolean values. Integers and Boolean values are compatible with each other. This is a question. Is integers and Boolean values are compatible with each other? The answer is no. We can't convert integers into Boolean. We can't convert integers into Boolean. But we can convert. Okay. We can convert. So we can convert Boolean values into integer based on our requirement. So this is nothing but what we have. But it is very difficult to explain this concept. Please listen carefully. We can convert automatically. Boolean values will be converted into integer. No problem at all. But reverse is not possible. Integers and Boolean values are not compatible with each other, but Boolean and integers are compatible. To demonstrate this, I am taking one small example. Let us consider a value is a 10, b value is a true. Like this I am taking. Can I take b plus b? Yes. The output what we are getting is, sir, it is not possible to add true and true since the operator which we are using is related to the arithmetic. That's why Python is going to convert this true into 1 and this true into 1. The output what we are getting is nothing but 2. Let me cross check up to this. You can see the output what we are getting is 2. Now I want to write one statement which is nothing but 10 is double equal to 2. Like this I am taking. Please listen carefully. If 10 can be converted into Boolean, what will be its value? Sir, 10 is non-zero value, right? Non-zero means what? It is a true. So true is double equal to true. So if output is true, then integers and Boolean are compatible. Else we are going to get false as the output. Let me check what output we are going to get for this. Sir, are you seeing the output is false? Sir, it is not converting 10 into Boolean. Remember carefully, it is not converting 10 into Boolean, it is converting true into integer. So there is a chance here, but it is not doing. Here there is no chance, but it is converting. So integer to Boolean conversion possible means true is double equal to true, output should be true. Since conversion is not possible, 10 is not converting, true is converting into 1, 10 is double equal to 1, we are going to get output as false. But in Java, if you are trying to take this statement, we will get a compilation error because incompatible types. But in Python, it won't do such type of things. At least is one possibility of conversion is there or not, it is going to check. This is nothing but what we have and the output is false. I think you got very clear clarity why we can't convert integers into Boolean automatically. Sir, manually can we do it means yes. Now see what will happen. Print of I am taking bool of 10, which will convert the given type into Boolean. Now what output we are expecting? Definitely true, because it is a non-zero value, right? If any non-zero value is coming, what will happen? It will convert it into Boolean. Manually I am doing, sir, not automatically. So I think this updated program, if I copy paste, you will get more clarity. So this is nothing but integers and Boolean relationship, whether incompatible types is coming or not, how it is going to be do conversion, all these things. I think you people got very clear clarity about this. Thank you, friends.